Guys, what is up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour on the daily. We're going to talk about this dump right here that happened yesterday. We're also going to be having a look at my gold position that I have open right now, and also Kadena. I love Kadena. Kadena is one of my favorite coins out there. We're also going to be talking about the Solana hack. Solana currently got hacked yesterday for $350 million, making it the biggest hack ever. So we're going to be having a look at that. Well, I'm telling you that we're not going to be having a look at the TA, but I'm just telling you guys that Solana did get hacked, but today it's going to be Bitcoin, gold, and essentially Kadena. So starting off with gold, first of all, we do have the Feds coming up with some news later today at about 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. It's going to be very, very interesting. Definitely something we have to watch out on. Another thing is gold, guys. Gold, I took earlier last week or late last week, we saw this massive dump, followed by a huge, or not a huge pump, but a nice little relief that we currently have. I am currently on a long position on gold. My value is $27,000. I'm only up 226, and as we know, guys, gold doesn't move that much. I mean, look at this. I took this position on Phoenix on the, I believe it was right here, the 31st, and look, I'm barely up 1%, guys. So this is gold for you. It doesn't move that much. I don't like to keep my thing on dollars because I don't like I like to have my money constantly moving. So this is my position on gold that I currently have right now. I will be looking to open a position on Bitcoin very soon, but let's have a look at Bitcoin real quick. Because Bitcoin is king, as we know. This is not related, and the fact that you can trade gold on Phoenix, guys, is fantastic. Very cool. Let's have a look on Phoenix though. I mean on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right here, this is Bitcoin. As you guys can see, nothing too crazy. We do have the volume profile right here on the right side of my screen. Point of control currently sitting at 36,000, 37,000 right here. Can we potentially look for a short right here? Get rejected and then come back down? That is very possible. I am waiting for this position. Yesterday, if we have a look on the 4 hour time frame, let me take away the VPVR real quick. We are in this nice channel right here. We were increasing. We also got rejected by this level. We had a peak right here that flipped support, that flipped resistance, and boom. As I mentioned in my last video and 2 videos ago, I did mention that Bitcoin can go between anywhere between 38k to 40k, and as you guys can see right here, we went to exactly 39,334. This was my price prediction right here at 33,000. I did mention that we will have a relief bounce. No, we are not bullish yet, guys. We are still in a bear market. There's no question about that. Let's have a look at the trend line real quick. The trend is your friend. There's no question about that. Guys, by the way, before anything, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research and due diligence. This is the trend line, guys. In my last video, I did mention that we were going to come back to the trend line and retest it. We had 3 rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me close Phoenix real quick. These are all the rejections we had on Bitcoin essentially. My price target and my next buy zone would most likely be this area right here. It does say 29,266, but I will be buying at around 30,000, 31. I'm going to start accumulating because I don't want to be greedy. This is Bitcoin for today, guys. So always do, you know, look at the charts. I know charts are not everything, but we have big news coming out with the Feds. This should be affecting gold as well. However, whatever the outcome will be on the Federal Reserve notes. Let's have a look at the VPVR starting with the daily time frame. It's pretty low. Now, I know a lot of people are calling Kadena to go not that low, obviously, guys, but they are calling sub $2.7. This is what I'm eyeing, guys. I am eyeing Kadena to go to $2.76. I'm hoping that we get a nice little wick to this area, 2.66. I will be having my buy orders in that region, so it's going to be very interesting to see how that happens. Another thing is on the 4 hour time frame. Let's have a look on the 4 hour time frame real quick. Having a look at the exponential moving average real quick. We are below, so we had a nice little peak above the exponential moving average. Nothing too crazy. It was a nice little fake out. Another thing is that we are having a nice little M pattern right here going on. I don't know if we're gonna complete it. We did complete it actually, so this is an M pattern that I'm talking about, and we are below this area right here. Now, we know that M patterns are pretty bearish, guys. We're most likely going to come back down and make a nice little move depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin does end up essentially breaking down, we're most likely going to see a massive aggressive move, not only on on Bitcoin, but on the altcoins as well, because we know that when Bitcoin bleeds, altcoins do bleed. So nothing too crazy to see over here. Let me remove the drawing, and I mean, that's about it, guys. Bitcoin currently down 0.55%. We got Kadena 1.4, currently traded at 5.45. Very, very fantastic coin. I think Kadena will beat Solana. Solana, with all the hacks it's been having, I think a lot of people are going to start shifting to Kadena Layer 1 platform. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, of course.